Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Vore. In this episode, another easy way to do fish. In this case, I have some nice halibut. I've already dried it, get the moisture off of it after I've cleaned it. And then I've made this nice, I'm gonna call it a marinade to put on the fish. You probably could even soak this maybe for about an hour on this fish, but I'm just gonna baste it on the fish itself. So what I have here is a couple tablespoons of honey, which is really good. A little shot of soy sauce and a sprint of lemon juice and some garlic, as well as a little black pepper, and probably the best part is like 2 tablespoons of butter is in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and drench this fish, all sides of it, with this mixture, right? And then we'll just get ready to place it out on the grill and cook it, and it'll be ready. It's quick and easy. You could use this again with any type of fish you want. Well, I would use salmon, but any white fish would work good. All right, so I'll finish putting this on all the sides here, and we'll go out and light the grill. Okay, I'm out on the grill. I've got a lid. It's about 400 degrees right now. It's pretty hot. Before I put the fish on, I know there's some butter on that fish, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my grill grates as well, because I want to make sure that that fish doesn't stick onto the grill grate. So kind of lightly coat that up there just like so. Place that down. And then I have my fish ready to go. I see I have a little flare up there from that oil, which is fine. I'll go ahead and grab the fish. Ooh, place it right on there, and I know that'll flare because of the butter that's on there, but oh, that'll be good. If I need to, I can get a little bit of water spritzer on there just to help calm down those flare-ups. All right, we'll let that cook for 3 to 6 minutes. We'll check it, and then we're going to flip it over. All right, it's been 3.5 minutes. My temperature got a little bit hot, so I'm going to go ahead and check it, take a look, and actually it's looking pretty good. Now this one's fairly thick and big, where the other one's a bit smaller, so I'll go ahead and get these smaller ones turned over for sure. And that looks pretty good. A little bit of stickiness there, but that's okay. That's not going to hurt. Let me get this bigger one. Oh yeah, that's looking nice though. You can tell as soon as you, sorry, it's just hot in there. Grab it, put that over. Oh, that looks nice. It's starting to flake apart. It's almost done. I'll give it another 3 minutes and go ahead and check it again. And if it's ready, we'll plate it up. Okay, after I flipped them, it's been another 3.5 to 4 minutes. And actually, the fish looks really good. I know it's starting to flake up here and probably stick just a little bit. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, that looks good. That's okay. Right, let me grab this other small one. That honey is starting to, ooh, look at that nice fillet off there. That honey is making it stick a little bit for me. I'm not sure that it's glazed a whole lot, but I think it's going to taste pretty good. This might break in half here if I can get it. That's all right. I don't mind fish that falls apart. It just means it's done. Like perfect. Right. So we'll take that inside and give it a try. All right, I'm inside with the honey glazed butter or halibut. I'm gonna give it a try, right? And I'll just grab a piece right here. It's definitely tender. The fish is actually very good. The flavor, it's not bad. I've had other recipes that I'm more impressed with, like especially the Parmesan halibut. But a different way to fix a halibut, this is good. Maybe another way to do it is drizzle some honey air at the very end to get it to really taste a little more honey-like. But not too bad. I can taste some of that pepper in there too. Give it a try. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time on citygrilling.com.